today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday we did some light reading about our private key and how we're going to implement that into our contract. So today we're going to look inside our contract and see how that came together. So first and foremost, you see this is our private key here. This is the variable we're going to store it in, private key, capital letters. Let's go over to our deploy favorites.py file so we can see how everything came together. First and foremost, you see the from ETH account library that we brought over. And then from that, we imported the account package. So you can see here we have our private key equals os.getEnv, which is going to help us get our private key variable from the env file here. This contains our private key. We're going to store that inside this lowercase private key here as our new variable. Then we're going to say my account equals account.from key, letting us know that from this account we're going to be getting a key or our private key. And into this we're going to pass in the parameter of private key, which is the new variable that stores our private key. Then we're going to say boa.n or boa.env.add account, and that we're going to add the parameter of my account, which is the new variable that holds our private key, and it's going to say force EOA. EOA is an externally owned account, not a contract account. Now, an account controlled by a private key, like a regular user wallet, so one of us would be an EOA, an operator, as opposed to a contract account that's controlled by a contract. So it's not a contract-to-contract transaction. It's actually a user-to-contract transaction. Now, setting force EOA equals true. It shows that the account behaves like a normal user wallet, which is important for sending transactions and interacting with contracts as a user, not as a contract, which is different from a contract account. Contract account, an account controlled by a contract code. So basically, that's everything right there. That's how we implemented our private key, and that's a small explanation of some of the things that went into the parameters of actually how we set everything up. So yeah, we're going to be moving forward now. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.